Hi everyone, my name is Louie and you're watching Verin Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out. So like we always do here in Verin Pampanga, we do not just feature places for you to dine in or relax or stay in. Of course, we also feature places where everyone can benefit, including our children. We are here at the reading station, so this is located Nepa Quad 2. But to tell us more about this place, so we have here Ma'am Zara. Thank you for inviting us, madam, to your place.
Thank you.
So, Ma'am Zara, what is TRS?
Well, TRS stands for the Reading Station, and it's based in Manila. We have lots of branches in Manila, and the TRS here in Pampanga is our first, or this is the first in Pampanga.
I see. So the TRS means the reading station.
Yes, that's
Okay.
right.
So who can TRS help?
TRS can help kids who can start with 3-year-old kids. We teach them how to read, and then also those kids who need help in repetition and reading. Let's say they're in grade school already and they still are having a hard time, or they are still having a hard time in reading.
So in essence, is it a tutorial place?
Well, it's safe to say that it is a tutorial place, but what we actually tell the parents is it's a specialized center for reading, because when you bring your kids to the reading station, we're not bragging, but when they leave the reading station, we're so sure that the kids can read independently.
So let's talk about that now. So what makes it different from other tutorial centers?
Well, for one, I think I can say that the reading station has a very structured program, which we call phonographics reading program. We use phonetics to teach the kids, and we start with reading or giving the sounds of the letters. Well, we need all of our kids to be 100% in their sound recognition. Well, after the letter recognition course, right? After they master the sound recognition, we give them, or we teach them the basic skills like decoding and then blending of the sounds for them to read independently. At the reading station, we do not want them to just read because they memorize the pictures. Well, picture retention, and then they just base on the pictures, and then we want them to read because they really know the sounds of the letters, the basic skills like the decoding, blending, and reversibility.
So do you have branches? What? Do you have other branches?
Yes, we have lots of branches in Manila. We have like 12 branches in Manila, and then we have 3 in the provinces. Like there's one in Valley, and then there's one in Parañaque, BF Homes. This is the first one in Pampanga. Yeah, we have also another one in Vietnam.
Wow.
It's international. So we're happy to use the program to be able to help a lot of kids in reading. As of the moment, over 500. If we try to count from all of our branches, we have over 500.
Let's talk about the program itself. So how does the program work?
Well, first we have to schedule the assessment of the child to know the entry level, since the program has 12 levels. Okay? And then the normal number of hours we require from the parents and the student to commit with us is 12 hours monthly, and it is 1 hour per session.
Okay, Ma'am Zara, so I'm sure our parents here in Pampanga are excited and that they heard about this great news here in TRS. So please invite our viewers to come and check out TRS.
Okay. Well, mommies, daddies, come and avail of our pre-assessment. The pre-assessment that we offer here in TRS Pampanga, and let your child learn how to speak, read, and comprehend English with TRS. We have several summer packages with special discounts prepared for you. We are located here at Unit 2, second floor, Quad 2, Nepo Center, Aquila City, Pampanga. We're near Starbucks, and our contact number is 0917-893-4875. See you here.
Ma'am Zara, thank you for inviting us again to your Tutorial Center. So guys, thank you for watching Where in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Bye!